2点就是说，当您打了911的时候呢，消防局show up，他们的不论是 fire engine 或 fire truck 来到你的家门口的时候呢，不用担心，他们不会 charge 你钱，因为他们的所有的费用或者是他们的薪水是由我们的税金缴纳出来的。但是因为有这么多人需要，对不对？所以呢，不要说你家的猫或狗卡在树上了，也叫他们来抓，他们不会来抓哈，因为真的是这是就是说为了帮助大家的安全，所以呢，他说如果您真的有需要，不用担心，打电话911一定会通知他们，他们会到。但是希望说就是不要滥用这样子。那如果说那刚刚有人问到说，可是如果是上了救护车呢，那就不一样了。救护车会寄账单给你，因为您收到的账单是从救护车的公司来的，那是关于你的 medical， 所以跟他们消防局的服务是不一样的哈。所以基本上消防车来，消防局的人来是没有钱的。所以如果有人告诉你说我要给你收多少钱，那是错误的，所以不用给钱，这是一点。那我们刚刚这位小姐呢，她提到说她的女儿在 Hayward， 然后有一个大树倒了，伤到她的女儿。她说有4、5辆的消防车都到了那里，然后抢救她的女儿，可是怎么都没有看到警察。那因为刚刚队长提到说，因为这个不是说有跟另外的人或另外的一个group 有什么 liabilities， 所以呢，警察通常不会直接来 involve， 但是他想要知道说他有没有办法拿到一个就是说事故这个意外发生树倒他砸到他女儿的这个报告，他可以，你任何只要他们消防队有出动有出勤的话，他们一定有记录有报告，所以如果有什么事情的话，你们是可以直接跟消防局申请一份报告，他一定会给你们的。
Anybody else have any questions?
Okay, if 911 call, fire station always get there first. Is it possible there are more than one ambulance get there?
Not usually, no. They dispatch the closest ambulance, and then they'll also dispatch the closest fire.
But what if it happened?
Well, they'll only dispatch one ambulance.
Because the incident happened is my friend went to a wedding, and there's an elderly person, kind of like tired, and they thought he had passed out. Then 2 ambulances show up. So.
Oh, that might have just been a mix-up because it's hard enough to get one ambulance, much less 2. Okay. So unless if somebody was closer or somebody started going and the other one got.
You mean maybe 2 people called?
Or it could be 2.
Or maybe the dispatch got messed up and they said it was 2 patients. A lot of times they'll send more than 1 ambulance to more than 1 patient. So.
Yeah, because there's only about 3 ambulances that cover like. What, 3 or 4 that cover Fremont, Newark, and Union City.
So there will be a system, they know which ambulance.
Yeah, they'll sit whatever the closest unit is.
那我们刚刚提到说，消防局的人来服务的时候，他们是不收费的。但是如果是救护车来的时候，救护车公司会跟您收费。所以呢，刚刚 Rebecca 的问题就是说，那有没有这个可能说，有人需要救护车，那突然间来了2辆救护车，那怎么办？那我们的队长说，通常这个情况是不存在，因为当您打911的时候，911的他们的接线生会知道说，在这附近他们会call说这附近哪一个救护车是比较靠近的谁会先到。那除非一个情形是太多人同时打电话，所以他们就以为同一个地点有很多人需要帮忙这样子，所以才会有不同的救护车同时出现。不然的话，通常一个地点就是只有1辆救护车会来。
Yes, sir.
这个强例子可以啊，讲中国啊。好。我在街上如果发生车祸事故，是打911啊，是打警察局。那有时候我在高速公路上面开车，发生事故，我打电话是高速公路CHP 还是警察局，还是打911就可以。
任何的紧急都是打911，因为从911他们会通知是要打给 CHP， 在高速公路上或者是在 local 打电话通知消防局或警察局，所以不管只要任何紧急是身体受伤了，是车祸了，是生病了，是着火了，甚至是遭小偷了，都是911，然后他们就会911的接线生会问您说是发生什么情形，他们就有这个知识，知道说是要送谁到现场去。
再告诉他在什么地方。
对，要告诉他在什么地方，是，对。His question is that if I got involved with a car accident on freeway, do I still call 911 or should I just call the fire department? I said, no matter what happens, the emergency, just call 911.
Okay, I won't get out. Let's get back to your program here. I'm sure you got a lot of information to cover. But thanks for having us by, and thank everybody for getting involved. Appreciate it. All right. Yeah, Travis. Thanks for doing this. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Here, you go right here.
Fremont has the best fire department.
Wow.
I think you should tell the people that since he said they don't bill the individual at home, the ambulance charges $2,000.
$2,000?
From Centerville to the hospital.
Okay, so the ambulance can be quite a large charge. Now, I was actually taken to the hospital from my home at the top of Fremont, and it didn't cost that much. But it might depend on how much care they have to give you too.
This year.
Yeah, well, and it could have gone up. My situation was years before. Yeah. But you know, if your life is going to be saved, how much is that worth? You know, $24.10? I don't know. I paid it gladly, and I was okay, really. But I didn't know that I was. Okay. So we were talking about utility control, and we talked a little bit about gas, and I was wondering, would you like to come up and do this translation? Would that be helpful? I wasn't aware that that was going to be an important part, but you take the mic.
No, I think I have loud voice.
You have loud voice? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I think I do too, because I've been in the classroom for years. Okay, so we were talking about supplies, water, food, and first aid kits that you should have at home, and you should have some of those items in your car as well, and also warm clothing. And ladies who might be wearing high heels back and forth to work, you want to have comfortable shoes and socks in your car as well. And first aid kit, okay? So those things are very important. We also teach a lot about utility control, and I think I went through that, so we're going to go here. No? This way.
Can I?
Go right ahead.
Thank you. 那刚刚 Laura 跟我们提醒到说，我们现在要学习的是说，在灾难发生的时候，我们要怎么样来准备自己。那他首先提到说，你一定要有水。那水你要怎么样计算？一个人一天你要预备好1加仑的水。1加仑就差不多我们一个牛奶的桶，有没有塑胶牛奶桶？那就是1加仑。所以一个人是1天要1加仑。所以一家子如果有5个人，你就是说你要准备好5桶。那现在就是说，根据那个 Katrina 飓风发生的时候呢，发现说，事实上联邦政府的救援不是马上可以到达现场，有时候是路不通了，有时候是机场关闭了，对不对？所以你要预备好。全家就是说至少要有1个礼拜的准备，1个礼拜的水，1个礼拜的干粮，就是饼干啊那些东西。那你不单单只是放在家里而已，他说你也要放在车上。有时候你是桥断了，卡在路上了，你下不来了，你怎么办？所以你的车子里面要有喝的水，要有可以吃的东西。然后他说，如果女生像我穿了高跟鞋，你一定要放一双可以走路的鞋子，免得你卡在路上，车子不能动了，你要走路，对不对？好，你要有轻便的鞋子，然后还有很重要，你需要有一件厚外套。随时都要有一件厚外套或者是一个毯子在你的车子里面，所以万一你是卡在路上了呢，你才有办法去保暖。那有提到说家里有瓦斯的、有电的、还有水的。那紧急的时候，我们都知道说我们要把它关起来。那电的话呢，电跟水是必须自来水公司它会
它会决定说什么时候再恢复供水，所以你不可以自己说哦，我再把它转开就好了，这个是不行的。然后特别是瓦斯你要马上把它关掉，但是你不可以自己开。你不可以自己开，因为你自己开怕会爆炸，所以呢，瓦斯是你自己一定要马上把它关掉。但是 PG&E 或者是有执照的人呢，来了才可以帮你把它打开，所以你不可以直接去开它。对，那如果是电，如果它有电，你就会知道它自动就有电了，所以电是你不需要去担心的。所以瓦斯是最重要，你千万不要自己去开瓦斯。你把它关起来以后，你一定要等到瓦斯公司 PG&E 的人来了，你才可，他们帮你开了以后才可以。
Thank you. Okay. So we'll move on a little bit to fire extinguishers. You probably know there are different types of fire extinguishers, different sizes. Some of them have a nice dial on them that tell you that they are still charged up and ready to go. Some of the smaller ones don't have that, so you can't really tell if it's lost its power. We recommend generally that you have the big fire extinguisher with the dial on the top.
那我们现在要讲到说，家家都应该要预备一个就是那个灭火器，红色的灭火器。那最重要的是你要有那个上面有一个东西是可以告诉你说这个灭火，因为它有时间性的，有那个时间的效率性，所以呢你要买那种就是说上面会告诉你说这一个灭火器现在还有没有效，还可不可以用的那一种。
In the big 3-hour class, you will get an opportunity to use a fire extinguisher, to learn how to use it, pull the ring, grab the hose, point to the bottom of the fire, and sweep the fire. You will get a chance to really put out a fire, not just make believe.
那 Barbara 刚刚有跟我们说，在10月和11月还有2次的训练。如果您有报名参加这个训练的时候，这3个小时的训练课程里面，就会教导大家说如何来使用这个灭火器，那是怎么样正确的使用，才能够真正把火给扑灭掉，而不是只是好像让它熄火而已。
Thank you. We also teach about hazardous material awareness. And that's a whole separate class that will talk about different things that can be unsafe in your home or in your garage. If you have old cans of paint, turpentine, things that could hit together and spark and cause a fire.
那在这3个小时的训练课程里面，也会提到说有毒的物质。或者是一些化学物质，有可能它们 mix 在一起，就是混在一起的时候会造成爆炸，甚至只是一个几年前整修房子所用剩下的油漆跟其他的东西加在一起，都有可能产生爆炸的威力。所以呢，在这个课程里面也会讲到说有毒物质、有害物质会产生的爆炸性，那这个也是很重要的。
We want you to clean out your garage or any place where you're keeping chemicals. Don't keep them under the kitchen sink. If you have old cans of paint, get rid of them. Don't keep them.
那这里也会讲到说尽量不要把这些就是有毒、有害或者是有爆炸威力的东西放在家里面，特别是放在厨房里面，这个是都很危险的。那不要用的那些旧的油漆啊什么的，就是要尽量就是尽早把它清除掉，不要把它留在家里面。
Okay. Does everybody have smoke detectors in their homes? Yes?
是不是每个人家里面都有那个烟雾侦测器呢？
Okay. We talk about smoke detectors and where to place them in your home. You should have a smoke detector inside every bedroom, about 3 feet in from the door and on the ceiling. Okay? And we say 3 feet in because if there's a fire and smoke starts filling the room, there's a pocket of air right at the corner of the ceiling and the wall. And the smoke can come up and bypass that and not even set off the smoke alarm. So the smoke alarm should be at least 3 feet in, and then it will warn you if there is smoke in the house.